Here's the reality. Today's cannabis consumer is no longer a stereotype. They're parents winding down after work. They're veterans managing pain. They're professionals choosing cannabis instead of a cocktail. They're retirees using edibles to sleep better. It's not a stereotype anymore. It's everyday people from all walks of life. No shame, no stigma, just another way to relax, enjoy, and maybe even manage some aches and pains, both mental and physical. More than just getting high, cannabis has medicinal benefits that can help improve your quality of life. The key is removing stigma and using it responsibly. Let's start with the basics of cannabis. Cannabis is an organic plant that can be classified into three main categories: sativa, indica, and hybrid. Sativa is like meeting a morning person, known for boosting energy and encouraging creativity. Indica, on the other hand, is your night owl, known for helping with relaxation and often used as a sleep aid. You can use this strain to help you wind down after a long day of work. These are two complete opposites. If sativa is your coffee, indica is your weighted blanket. Lastly, we have hybrids. These are grown to be a mix of the two strains. With the rise in demand, many growers develop hybrids to mix up the vibe and get the best of specific strain. Each category features different strains that can correspond to a different effect to your body. It's important to remember, however, that everybody's chemistry is different. So even if we can classify each strain, how you may be affected by them may vary. So if your buddy says this strain makes him want to paint, and you end up passed out drooling on the couch, that's okay. That's normal. Let's dig in a little deeper now that you know the top categories. Next up, let's get into the two primary compounds found in cannabis. We've got two main stars, THC and CBD. THC is a psychoactive component of cannabis. This is what gets you high. Often, the effects of this is what the media stereotypically portrays with characters that just want to eat loads of food or start laughing at nearly everything they see. This is the component of cannabis known for its potential therapeutic effects, such as help with body pain, anxiety, and even certain types of seizure. This is the main chemical component that is what has helped with the legalization of cannabis, especially since this doesn't get you high. Easy shortcut to remember here. THC equals mind, CBD equals body. The ratio between the two decide if you're vibing with friends or hugging your weighted blanket. Cannabis isn't just joints and bongs anymore. It's a buffet. Smoking flower is the most common and traditional way of intaking cannabis. It's got a fast onset, and your intake is easy to control. The only downside is that your jacket and car might smell, and you might get the side eye when walking down the streets. Next up is vaping. This often features a device and cannabis oil. It has a faster onset and less smell, but you might look like a dragon exhaling, so remember, vaping is still considered smoking by establishments, so make sure to look out for signs and smoke only where permitted. Edibles. This comes in various types, such as gummies and baked goods. It's the sneaky assassin. It takes forever to kick in, then body slams you when you least expect it. The rookie mistake? Eating another cookie because you don't feel anything. That's how you end up calling your ex at 3 a.m. or contemplating the texture of carpet for 3 hours. Tinctures. This one is more of a concentrated liquid, often found in tiny bottles with a dropper. They can be thick and gooey, definitely sticky to handle. But it's discreet, it's classy. It's like the wine of cannabis consumption. Topicals. Just like the name suggests, this is anything that you can apply to your skin. Think creams and lotions. It's good for sore joints, but won't get you hot. So if you rub a balm on your elbow and expect to see colors, that's not how it works. When it comes to choosing the right method for you, think of your needs and match it with the best method of consumption. Now, a quick reality check if you're just starting to experiment, because nobody wants to be the brunch story. Rule 1 is start low and go slow. You can always add more, but you can't uneat a cookie. When you introduce something new into your system, it always helps to be a bit more cautious to see what your body limits are at. Take it slow. Cannabis is meant to be something that you can enjoy at your own pace. Rule 2, hydrate. Always make sure to have some water on hand. Have a tasty beverage or two to help you stay comfortable. Rule 3. Know your setting. Be mindful of where you're at when you're taking cannabis. Your environment might affect how you end up enjoying or freaking out over its effects. Make sure to be in a safe space and with support so that you don't risk putting yourself in danger. Alright, that about wraps it up for this beginner course of the HighIQ 420 series. Congratulations, you just graduated Cannabis Kindergarten. You know the types, you know the key ingredients, you know the methods of consumption, and you know the golden rule: start low, go slow. Okay, let's see what you remember. Drop your answers in the comments.
Which type is usually uplifting? Answer. Which method takes the longest to kick in? Answer. Follow us if it's been too easy so far. Which method has the fastest onset? Answer. Get ready, it's going to get harder now. Which method won't get you high? Answer. This one will really test your knowledge. Plus, don't forget to tell your score in the comments. Sativa is to coffee as indica is to? Answer.
Were you able to answer those? If so, congrats! You passed level 1. If you had fun with this, hit like and subscribe. That way you won't miss the next video in this series. And if you know someone who needs this more than you do, share it with them and help spread the knowledge. Stay tuned for our next video to learn how cannabis actually works in your body, and to understand why your friend can smoke an entire joint and still function while you're over here giggling at a lamp. See you in the next video.